Welcome to this video. Today, we'll explore how to use the BIZUIT Forms Designer to create forms that enhance interaction within our processes. We'll also learn how to design an interface that is intuitive, functional, and responsive. Let's get started. Let's begin with a walkthrough of the BIZUIT Forms Designer, the tool that allows us to create and customize forms that interact directly with our business processes. To access the Forms Designer, select an activity of type Start Form or User Interaction and double-click on it. From there, we'll create a new form of type BIZUIT Web Form. We assign a name to the form and click the three-dot button to proceed. The Forms Designer will open in a new browser tab, divided into two main areas, the workspace in the center and the controls panel on the left. In the Controls panel, we'll find elements we can drag into the workspace, such as text boxes for entering data, radio buttons for multiple choice selections, sliders and checkboxes, date pickers to select specific dates, buttons to confirm actions or execute custom code, media controls for images, audio, video, and camera input, geolocation for map-based input, documents to attach files to the process, signature fields, and many others components. On the right, in the Data Sources panel, we have access to the process's parameters, variables, and the results of previous activities. These can be dragged into the workspace, and the selected control will automatically bind to that data source. This link can be reviewed in the Binding Properties and Primary Link sections. If the data source is a parameter or variable, the link is bidirectional, meaning the control will display the current value, and also updated when the user makes changes. If the data source comes from a previous activity, the link is unidirectional. The control can display the value, but any changes made will not affect the original result. When we select a control, a Properties panel appears on the right side of the screen. Here, we can rename the control, add validations, and customize its appearance and behavior. One of the most important settings is the primary link, found under Binding Properties. This defines which parameter, variable, or activity result the control is linked to. In the Added Controls sections, we can also quickly select and locate any control added to the form. It will be highlighted in the workspace. By clicking the gear icon, we access Form Properties, where we can configure the overall style of controls, the number of columns in the form layout, custom CSS properties for advanced styling, and event properties to add custom behavior using code. These style and event tabs are also available for each individual control, allowing detailed customization per element. In the File menu, we can save the form or copy it from an existing one. We also have access to an advanced feature called subforms, which we'll cover in a separate video. Subforms allow us to open additional forms inside the main one, offering even greater flexibility. Clicking this button will open a new browser tab where we can preview the form and test its validations, formatting, and responsive behavior. Finally, we have the collaborative editing option, which allows us to invite and share access with other users to edit the form simultaneously in real time.